In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background noise in Adobe After Effects. If your footage looks gritty, speckled, or blocky, that's visual noise, often from high ISO or low light, not audio hiss. After Effects includes a capable denoiser that can clean this up without making your image look plastic, and that's what we'll use today. Start by opening After Effects and bringing your clip into the project panel. Drag the footage onto the new composition icon so your comp inherits the clip's size, frame rate, and duration. Working at full resolution helps you judge fine details, so view at 100% when you evaluate results. With the layer selected, go up to Effect, open Noise and Grain, and choose Remove Grain. At first, you'll see small preview rectangles over parts of the frame. They're just sampling areas the effect uses to estimate the noise pattern. To evaluate the entire image, head to the Effect Controls panel and change Viewing Mode to Final Output. Now you're seeing the denoised result across the whole frame. Next, raise the noise reduction amount. Do this gradually and watch edges, skin texture, and fine patterns like hair or fabric. Too little, and the noise remains. Too much, and the image gets soft and artificial. Aim for the sweet spot where the background cleans up, but natural detail still feels crisp. For footage with chunky crawling noise, turn on temporal filtering. This tells After Effects to compare neighboring frames and average out random flicker while preserving motion. Once enabled, adjust motion sensitivity. Increase it if you notice smearing or ghost trails on moving subjects. The effect will treat more pixels as motion and avoid over-smoothing them. If sensitivity is too high, you may see less noise reduction in moving areas, so ease it back until noise is controlled without introducing artifacts. Small tweaks go a long way here. As you dial things in, preview a few seconds of the busiest part of the clip and toggle the effect on and off to compare. Judge in motion, not just on a paused frame, since temporal filtering works over time. That's the core workflow. Create a comp from your clip, apply remove grain, switch to final output, balance noise reduction, and refine with temporal filtering and motion sensitivity. With a light touch, you'll remove distracting background noise while keeping your footage natural and sharp.